I thought I'd do a YouTube video of my recent comics I just got back from CGC, all signed by Todd McFarlane, 22 of them. I noticed that Todd did not write his full name out on some of the comics I got back. I mean, he probably signed hundreds of thousands of comics. I think he was there for almost 2 weeks down in Florida signing at CGC's headquarters. In any event, I'm really happy with a lot of the grades. I got a good number of 9/8s, and I'll show you each one that I've got. They come in these plastic sleeves. I'm going to leave them on here so that they don't get scratched up. But anyway, first one is the Spider-Man issue number 1, Silver Edition, and it has Todd McFarlane's signature in green, and it's issue number 1, came back as a 9.8. Another 9.8 of Todd McFarlane's issue number 1 of Spider-Man. Then we have a bunch of the regular ones. So this is Spider-Man number 1. It also has the appearance of Lizard in it. It came back graded as a 9.6. And another 9.6. Another 9.6. 9.4. I'm doing the grades in descending order. Anyway, if you look at this one has his signature complete as Todd McFarlane. I don't fault him for shortening his name and putting just T. McFarlane on there. I'm sure that he did that in many other comics that he signed. Another 9.4. Another 9.4. Really happy with the grades. And another. And then we got a couple of low ones here. We have an 8.5. And these ones that are in low grade come with grader notes. So I'll look up later why they came in that low of a grade, and an 8.0. Now, moving over to this side, we've got his creation, Spawn, number 1. And again, he signed it as T. McFarlane. And it is issue number 1, 9.8. We have a 9.6. Now on this one here, I didn't realize, because it has a grader note or qualified grade, as you can see on the green label here. I didn't realize that this was missing the poster inside, so it's considered incomplete, but it's still signed by him. So I guess I forgot to check to see that it was missing in here. But in any event, it came back as a 9.6, and then we have a 9.4, a 9.2, and then I decided to have him sign issue 300, which breaks the record, which actually ties the record of the guy that wrote Cerebus. I can't remember his name right now. But in any event, issue 300, got this, came back as a 9.6. And we have another 9.6 of issue 300. And then this is the comic that broke the Cerebus record. Cerebus Aardvark record is this one here. Spawn, issue 301. This came back as a beautiful 9.8. And I have another one of a 9.8. And then I have on this, I knew this was going to come in as a low grade. It's a 6.5, but he did sign it in beautiful green ink, and it's actually artwork done by both Todd McFarlane and Frank Miller. So I got this one signed just by Todd McFarlane. It's a 6.5, But in any event, I think it's a cool cover, so I'm glad that I got that one signed. And then the last two issues is some very early work of Todd McFarlane. This is almost similar to Spawn when you look at the caricature. Is Alien Alliance 9.6, and he signed it right there on the globe. And the next one, same issue, came back as a 9.4. Be sure to follow me on Instagram. I'm known as eBay Man David. And be sure to follow me on Twitter. I'm known as eBay_man. Be also sure to check out my eBay auctions. My screen name on there is Treasures in My Home. Thanks for watching.